lovelies, welcome back to another video. If it's your first time here, welcome. I hope that you guys are having a good day, but I bet I'm watching this video. Before we get into the video, guys, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notification bells so you don't miss a video whenever I upload. Let's get into the video. What we'll basically be doing is either we're going to be spitting some facts or we're getting some smack. The rules of the game: me can't lick him, but him can't lick me.
No.
Yeah.
Nope. So you'll get powder when time you miss a question?
No. Me ever get like, oh, alright babe, try again next time. And if you get it wrong, I'm gonna put powder on my and I'm gonna smack you.
Not a bungle of those. Nope.
Alright, here we go. We both have like 10 questions plus a bonus question, which makes it 11 questions each. And we're going to be asking each other that we think that we should know about each other, or so on. You get me? But if we get it wrong, then we are going to be
Powder.
oh wrong, please. Focus. Yay. You want to test it up?
No, sorry, work.
Alright, then fine. So, alright. So, my first question is, what's my favorite color?
You know what favorite color? Black is not a color.
A color for me. Alright, fine.
It's my turn.
It better be easy.
I'm cheesy. What is my favorite movie of all time?
I said easy.
That easy. Maybe I thought about it most yesterday.
You know my brain work. Of all time?
Scarface.
No. Of all time, I should know this, right?
Yeah, I used to that earlier before.
Well, I
know what Scarface.
Of all time. Oh shoot.
Yes.
How much? Wait. How much try him again? How much try him again?
Alright, make it two.
Two try. Favorite movie. It's not Home Alone.
Nope.
Wait, no, wait, I can't get the first one.
Try again. Make one more guess. No movie your name.
Remember? Shut up. Shut. I remember is I not telling you. I remember.
Why? Oh shit. Your time again. You make me hard catch me. Poor thing.
What's my favorite chocolate?
Charles.
What color? What brand? What something? Not brand. What flavor? What a flavor you call chocolate? Which color back then?
It's two chances.
Nice.
Blue bag.
One.
Ooh la la la.
I'm never sure for you not seeing you. Don't make up the question.
Let them just want to sit and study them. What's my hobby?
Fishing.
Oh!
How tall am I?
Me you supposed to know that.
Oh. Perfect. Let's go. Let's go. Can't go back to it, my fun.
My God, you know how tall I am.
No! You cannot add no more questions.
But me not supposed to know that.
What do you mean you're not supposed to do that?
Nah, let me see ID.
You can't even see my ID. Oh, you're lucky. Hit that? Huh?
5'6".
Me that tall? You think I'm that tall?
Me about 5'8" or something like that. I'm just be a little taller than you.
I'm 5'3".
5'3".
Yes.
Not far. Could I give me that one there still?
Why?
10 years.
No, you put 3 more inches for me. Alright. Which primary school did I attend?
Now you feel ask me.
Me! Oh.
Where else would I live if not Jamaica?
Huh?
Like you always ask me that question. So I know you're
Them question, wait, we're gonna start over, you're gonna rewrite the question. Alright, let me see the question then.
Just study them.
If you were, it's not Jamaica, where would you? I want the print. If not Jamaica, where? You know, I never answer nothing yet.
Just look like you'll get it. Yeah, I'll look at it.
I'm not Canada.
Hmm?
Canada?
I have to ask me right.
Canada. Alright. How many siblings do I have? Please get it wrong.
I'm not getting it wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
Go.
Alright, since you try that card there.
No, don't add no question.
You ask the question. What is this middle name?
No problem.
Where I come from?
Oh, please.
Yes.
Come on, move on. At what age did I move back in with mommy? Oh, we spoke about this before. We did.
Nope.
Yes, we spoke about this. I told her that when we were moving to our hometown, I didn't move with them. I went to live with daddy at a specific parish. And at age blank, I went back to live with mommy. At least I go spend some money, but I want to go back home. So mommy did say, alright, make sure station and force me. So I didn't tell them.
Servo.
No, you are stop! One. Oh, one guess though.
You never tell me that still.
I did.
Nope.
I did. You want to get another one? Another guess?
It's alright. No, you don't know one guess no.
No! Look another one.
Go on.
6.
6.
Yes. I told you this before.
7 years.
At 6.
Who is my favorite female artist?
Tanya Stevens.
So you get one easy one there.
Which primary school did I attend?
Primary.
Yes.
Childhood.
Oh, go. Look like old man.
Who are my favorite?
Me?
Male artist.
Male?
Mm-hmm.
What name? The one that come from Seaview.
Name black man. Dexter.
Me know you love Dexter. I'd guess it. Me don't think nobody beat Michael Jackson. Somebody beat Michael Jackson? You need to know me like I know you. I answered that one. When and where did we meet? Month, date, and year.
Really?
Yes, really. This is supposed to be fun. I'm gonna box you for that one, yeah. When and where?
You don't remember anything.
When you would say.
I know which part you think about.
Come.
And that's not what we need. Not St. James. Not a Sunday.
I don't remember the date.
Hmm?
The day. I don't remember the day.
See, me I remember
I
the
said
day.
date. Month, date, and year. And where.
That's another day. What you are thinking about? Jesus Christ. When we meet you?
What you ask me? Answer
Way
me
before that.
What you mean where before that?
Way before that.
No.
I thought you that's me. You're right.
Yes.
No, sir.
Yes.
Mm-mm.
Yes.
Mm-mm.
Come.
Me can't get that, don't forget it.
What you mean? Oh, you forget it. Well, say what you think I am thinking then. Because me positive of that. Oh, that's gonna make a box here. Make it connect. But you're supposed to do that.
You supposed to know.
Then me not know.
You don't know. Guess.
I am not guessing. I'm going to tell you.
Mm-hmm. That be trippy.
Yeah, ask me.
I tell you what you think about another song.
They know which part else.
See? Go on, me I take that free boxes.
Tell me the day. Date.
I don't remember which day. I know which day I talked to you. It was holiday.
My very first beach trip.
No, you never know me before beach trip.
No?
You see a scammer?
It was in when again?
Same thing.
July 27 24th. July 24th, 2011.
Yeah, I'm not long before that.
No.
That first year, that's me.
You know, because your brother more like that woman. I never know you before that.
Alright, this is some.
Go.
Okay, miss.
1, 2, 3, 4 questions.
How much palm reach again?
One lip me get already, you know?
What is my number one fashion?
Passion? Music?
Yes.
I would say if I ask you what the question is, you can't tell me. My time? Who's my closest friend?
Charlie? Go sit on the TV.
Yes, Nika. At the TV giveaway. Forget box.
That's a foolishness. As you say, friend in
They know
law.
why we watch Shanika them flag, you know, that giveaway. Go. Shanika just save you.
Favorite game of all time?
Of all time?
Yup. Jesus Christ.
Of all time? I don't say like 2 games. Can I say 2 of them? I'm gonna get
No? What?
Wait, no. I don't say like 2 games. Your favorite game of all time? You never tell me that?
You never tell you know, you must know.
Let's go for full football game, eh?
Tell me, ask me.
I don't say like them PS full game, the PS whatever it won't be.
One, 2 day upon you.
Yeah, because I know you.
You think so? Tell me game.
The full football game.
Dream League?
I don't know when name. I'm
See?
supposed to know a football game name.
Well,
Football game.
Well, no. Wrong.
Our are the PS, the Mortal Kombat something there?
Mortal Kombat.
See, we get it right. We get it right.
Nope. Boy, get it right.
I get it right. I'm telling you something, I get it. Here.
If I don't promise you to get it in there. Your time again.
My first job.
Bartender. Moving right along.
No, I can't do that. Wrong. Go.
What lift my spirit like when I'm done? What do I do?
When the injury in the room. You play a game or you listen music?
Music.
See, I know you. You just don't know me. Let's go. Which month did I meet your family? And if you get this wrong, me connect you. You go see, what you call them little bird them? Tweety bird them if you not get it right.
No, I'm not in a year.
No shit, Sherlock. No more so I'm going to the year. Which month?
December. I hate that one. No, no more.
Go on, I have a bonus question for you.
No more question.
Bonus question, take it out of your head. I want to clap you. For ask them bonus question, you or me? Me?
Go on, yeah.
When we first met?
Me ask. Yeah, you get
When
some
we
answer.
when we first met, what phone did I?
That up there? What is in time there? Not 3310. Samsung.
I am still wrong. It was a DL. I don't even know which DL.
Jesus Christ, you fool me, I see.
Alright, we're done.
No, my bonus.
Yeah.
Same question to you.
Wait, no. Wait, Calm down your bonus question.
What phone did I have? Go ahead.
Bangers? Man, Samsung. Man, Samsung. Which one? You can't let me see me a cover already. Which phone? If you know that you can't let me, if you don't know, you can't let me.
Of course, I know.
Which
I don't want much phone like you. So probably not even remember which phone you have.
It was a deal.
You sure at the time?
I think.
You think? Pull up me your something. Pull up me your phone up way.
You don't like that? No. Was a Motorola?
Motorola many phone.
No, but I can't make it.
No, not even catch you a while ago. Look where you can. You just play fair. Jesus Christ. You can't blow it out. How much shot this? You like a chocolate in it.
So obviously, Jesus, chill.
Motorola. Maybe you remember my phone and you fool me or something.
Obviously, I know him better than he knows me.
Pretend me pretend some know him.
Move, you don't know nothing.
I joke me that man.
Just for the life. Alright guys.
Alright.
That's the end of this video.
I don't know video yet.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope that you guys remember to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.